Hi, I'm Eric with Colonial Saw. Next to me is Ed from Quality Custom Cabinets in Belleville, Wisconsin. Ed, you have a brand new Striebig. What made you go from a table saw to a Striebig?
I was looking for better quality, speed-wise, faster, and saving shoulders, not having to push stuff through a table saw. Any other machine, a CNC or a sliding, would have taken up way too much room. But I still feel like even though this doesn't take up a lot of space, it still does the work of what any other machine that we could have bought.
So Ed, the saw is new, but you've cut a couple jobs already. What's been the biggest impact to the business and how you manufacture?
Quality-wise has been the biggest thing we've noticed right off the bat. Cutting pieces has just been perfect. Cutting square to the right dimension, and then building the cabinets after we cut with this has been great. I think it's really going to impact the speed too, going from a table saw to the panel saw. It's going to be a lot faster and better quality.
So for customers that are maybe watching this video that have a table saw like you did, possibly looking to upgrade to a Striebig, what advice would you give them?
I would definitely say do it. I've owned this cabinet shop for a lot of years. It's a family-owned business, and I've always used table saws. I've always thought about getting a different machine to help increase production and quality. And this machine is a huge upgrade, and it will definitely be worth the money switching from a table saw to a panel saw from Striebig. It's gonna be a time saver. You're gonna have better product goes out the door, and it's just overall so much nicer to use than pushing sheets through a table saw. That's what I would recommend, switching to this panel saw from Striebig.
Ed, you've talked about how the Striebig has been great for making cabinets. Tell us a little bit more about what other applications you've used it for.
Yeah, more than just cutting cabinet parts, it's good for solid wood. I make butcher block tops. I've made some large walnut tops, and it is great for cutting perfect sizes, square butcher block tops. And then also, we've actually straight line ripped a couple of boards too, just to get a perfect edge for our really long pieces that go with the countertop.
That's awesome. That's great to hear. Well, thank you so much for your time.
Yeah, absolutely.